valued regardless to their identity. Our tagline is to see the person, not the label. It reminds us to look beyond stereotypes and see the true humanity of each individual. So now let's discover how we can promote the culture of inclusion and empathy.
Why is she always dressed like that? She looks so fun.
Hey, stop that. What she wears is her choice, and don't judge it. This short film shows all the various of the conclusions, discriminations based on appearance or identity. It's hurtful to divide the community. The first step to breaking the barriers is respect, empathy, and understanding.
GSC stands for sexual orientation, gender identity and expressions, and sex characteristics. This describes important aspects of who we are as individuals. So sexual orientation is who we are attracted to. Gender identity is how we see ourselves, either man, women, or both, or neither. And gender expression is how we express, how we show ourselves through clothing, hair, voice, or actions. And lastly is sex characteristics. It is a physical trait we are born with.
Hey! Why you act like that? You're not normal. But this is the real me.
And that's perfectly fine. Everyone has their own identity, and we should respect that.
By understanding so GSC, we can avoid false beliefs and learn to respect the dignity of everyone. Inclusion is more than avoiding discrimination. It is about creating a space where everyone feels safe, valued, and respected.
Let's work together on the poster. You can handle the drawing, direct the levels, then you can do the design.
Nice! Everyone's talents will make this project great.
Exactly, when we help each other, everything becomes more easier and more fun.
When a group is inclusive, trust grows stronger, teamwork improves, and everyone can reach their own potential.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! Listen to her voice, it sounds weird! Hey, that's rude. Her voice is fine. Let's respect how others speak.
This is the power of being an ally. When someone tries to insult and stand up to defend the dignity of the others, we can show support by listening, accepting, and respecting. No matter how different voice, actions, and identity.
Today we learned that inclusion is not just peace and action. By breaking down barriers, understanding GSC, and being an ally, we can build a community of respect and acceptance. We pledge to respect diversity, stand against discrimination, and practice inclusion every day. See the person, not the label.